Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Update the Ps5, charge controllers, and power off the console. Once done, connect the interface to power and use the included USB cable to plug into the Ps5 rear USB-A or USB-C port, depending on your model. Make sure the interface firmware is compatible. Manufacturers often require a specific USB mode. While connecting, orient cables to avoid strain and keep the HDMI path clear, so video and next, you configure the Ps5 to recognize the interface. You'll go to Settings, then Sound, and choose the interface as the audio output. If it's USB, select USB headset or HDMI device for pass-through. Once selected, adjust format to 48K HZ or the rate recommended by the interface to avoid latency. Make sure any companion app or firmware update is installed. This often toggles low latency mode. If you notice sync drift, lower sample rates and recheck connections. Finally, test everything by launching a game and speaking into the mic. Monitor levels on the interface and in Ps5 sound settings. Adjust output volume and mic gain so gameplay audio isn't clipping and your voice remains clear. If you use chat apps, set the microphone as the input device there too. If something fails, power cycle the Ps5 and interface, reconnect cables, and check for firmware updates. This simple restart often resolves driver handshake or recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.